This video is a 5x5 cube solving tutorial. To learn to solve the 5x5 cube, you need to already know how to solve the 4x4 cube. If you do not know how to solve the 4x4 cube, there is a link attached in the description below that will take you to a video on how to solve the 4x4 cube. If you already know how to solve the 4x4 cube, then you're good to go. I have broken the process of solving the 5x5 cube down into 10 easy steps. So let's get started. The first step in solving the 5x5 cube is to get the white centered. So just like the 4x4, which is where this is the center, instead of it being only 2x2 squares, it's going to be 3x3 squares. So I'm just going to search the cube for white center squares. I'm going to start pairing. White center, then we're going to flip the cube upside down where the white center is on the bottom, and we're going to try to find the yellow center because the yellow center is always opposite of the white center, just like the 4x4. When you're trying to find the yellow center, remember not to destroy your white center. So just like the 4x4, when you get something like this, just go up, rotate twice, and back down to get the yellow center and not disturb your white center. Now that we've completed step 1, we're going to move on to step 2. In step 2, we're going to get all the rest of the centers. So I'm going to start with blue, because that's the easiest for me to remember. Blue, orange, green, red. So if you look at white, it should be blue, orange, green, red, counterclockwise. So now I have blue, orange, green, and red. White on the front, yellow on the back. Now I'm going to move on to step 3. In step 3, we're going to try to get the ordered pairs into the white cross. So first we have to line these up. So just the same as the 4x4. So now that I have my white cross, I'm going to move on to the 4th and 5th steps. The 4th step is just solving the 2 wings that I will be then putting in the edges of my cube in the 5th step. Remember to only solve 2 edges to allow the other 2 edges to continue solving the rest of the unsolved pairs. So just like the 4x4, this step is pretty much the same as just in the 4x4. Now that I have finished step 5, I'm going to move on to step 6. In step 6, we're just going to put 2 sets of these wings into 2 adjacent sides. So I'm going to do green and red. And you just put those in the exact same way as the 3x3 and the 4x4. Now I have 2 of my solved edges, and it's time to move on to step 7. We need to go ahead and finish these pairs. And just like the 4x4, we're just going to use these 2 sides that are not solved yet, and try to finish solving the rest of these pairs. Sometimes when you go to finish your pairs, you can't, because if I did this, I can't put that up here because it's already finished. So all you have to do is mess up what you've already done here. And line up one side to where this side is solved, but this side is not. Flip the cube on its side and do the OLL parity, just like this. It's a little bit different from the original for the 4x4, because this is a 5x5 and there's more squares. So up, 1, 2, rotate the cube, up, 1, 2, up, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, down. So you do all 3 layers, and then down, up, down, down. And then I know it looks like the cube is messed up again, but all you have to do is flip this side back down to where you have your white cross, and just resolve a couple of those pairs to then put them in, and then it will work. So now I'm going to move on to step 8, which is the solid yellow top. So as you see, right now I still have other colors on the top, but we're going to do an algorithm so that we can get all of this yellow. So this is a pretty simple algorithm. Just follow closely. So down with the right, clockwise. Clockwise with the top. Counterclockwise with the right. Counterclockwise with the top. Counterclockwise with the side. Counterclockwise. We're going to do one more of these. Clockwise with the side. Clockwise with the top. Clockwise with the right side again. Counterclockwise. 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 And now we have the yellow cross. So as you see, we have 3 more of these squares that are not yet finished. So I'm going to do, since I have these 3, I'm going to put the first one in front of me and the other 2 in the back. And I'm going to do a knee cross. Just like 3 by 3. So now that I did that, I'm going to look around the cube to find sides that match up. So this is orange and this is red. What we're trying to do is we're trying to find a side that has the squares that are on the top, right and left. We want those to be the same color, but these aren't. So this is red and that's orange, so those do not work. Green, blue doesn't work, red, orange doesn't work, blue, green. So with this case, it doesn't matter where we start. We're just going to do a long algorithm. Since we don't have any sides that are right, so it doesn't matter. So we're going to do counterclockwise with the side, clockwise with the front, counterclockwise with the side. We're going to flip this back one up twice to where it's white. We're going to flip clockwise on the side. We're going to do counterclockwise, counterclockwise again, flip the back, and then flip the right side. Now we're going to look around the cube and see if we can find matching ones. So these two match. So what we're going to do is we're going to put those two colors over their correct center. And the rest of these are not solved, so we're going to put this one in the very back, like this, and we're going to do that same algorithm again. So, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, flip, clockwise, counterclockwise, counterclockwise, flip, flip. So now, these two match, these two match, these two match, and these two match. So we're gonna just go ahead and put those over their center, like this. So now I'm gonna do another long algorithm. Just like that. I'm gonna do another one of those. Sometimes you have to do more than one. Congratulations on solving your first 5x5 cube. Thanks for tuning in today with BestCut_10. Don't forget to like and subscribe.